cat's being crazy. He is playing in my backpack. I just had lunch, so I'm going to be a little slow. Or, sorry, dinner. Okay. All right. So let's begin. Let's see. Yesterday, let's just recap what we did. We got to here, look through the Near University page, went to the Near University page. I think I found this meme museum there by clicking through it, and we went through welcome to the Internet of Value, key concepts, what is near environment, on near contract. It's been pretty simple so far. I've interacted with the CLI a little bit, and now we're going to deploy the meme contract today. So let's give it a try. Let's see. All right. Let's just read this real quick so we know what we're looking for. Answer a simple question. What is a near contract? Oh, I answered this yesterday without even reading this. So I think it's, yeah, okay. So anyways, contracts. Contracts are a set of functions that can read or alter the state of the near network. They are executed on the near virtual machine. A minimal hello world code can be written in assembly script to look like this. Export function hello string return hello world. I wonder if this is interesting that you have to export it. I wonder, but you don't have to return the function. You can just, it'll just run this automatically. After it was compiled to WebAssembly, the contract can be deployed to the near blockchain. Deploying to a contract means that is uploaded and stored in the near blockchain. Once deployed, the contract can be called in the near VM like a script served by nodes on the near blockchain. Anyone connected to near can see and interact with the code. If users provide a valid input, the contract will deterministically produce its expected output. In this case, hello world. The contract can be called using the near CLI, near view hello world contract testnet hello. So I guess we should try this. I don't know what to save this as. I guess it's let's just keep reading and see. Yeah, because I would like to execute this. Let's just Google it. Let's see. I'm gonna keep that. Okay, so this was from earlier. I don't need this anymore. So assembly script. So I don't know the first thing about assembly script. I've never used it before. I know some JavaScript. I don't know WebAssembly at all. So let's see. Implement on top of a low-level capabilities. Assembly script provides a JavaScript-like standard library for many of the classes and namespaces. One is used to in classes and namespaces. One is used from JavaScript. Oh, used to, like you're used to it from JavaScript, including math app, and single precision array T's. Okay, and so on. The load store example above could look like this when utilizing the standard library for our view. Okay. Here, let's just set up a project. Okay, so make sure that the recent version of Node.js. Okay, so let's just put this here, I guess. I don't know. I have like this ultra wide screen, so it's kind of hard for me to snap. I would normally just snap it, but let's see. npm init. Oh, you know what? Okay, what's this error? Oh, okay. So I need a new project. How do I make a new web assembly script project though? We're starting, yeah, that's what I clicked. Okay. And so this goes into working with your module. Okay. Make sure you have the recent, and then switch to a new directory and initialize a new Node.js module as usual. Maybe I don't know JavaScript as well as I thought. Here, I will do Control-C. Oh, you know what? It wasn't telling me. Okay, so let's, I don't know how to make, is it make dir on Windows? Assembly script tests. Okay. cd assembly script test, and then npm init, and then I will name this test as tests, as we are family friendly, so test, assembly test. Sorry, no caps. Okay, assembly script test. Okay, version 1. Yes. Description, testing, entry point. Sure. Test command none. Git repository none. Not now. Yes. Okay, so, and then we just npm install save dev assembly script, I assume. Okay. And then once installed, the compiler provides a handy scaffolding tool to quickly set up a new project here in the directory. Okay. Let's try that. The as init command automatically creates the recommended directory structure and configuration files. Okay, so let's just do npx as init a. Yes. Okay. np test. There was an error already, so you can't just run it. I guess. Run test. Oh, did I run a test? I did run test. I don't have a test. I don't think I'm testing this. I can't start it, can I? No, I build it. I build it. Okay, yeah, because it's like WebAssembly, so you probably build it. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, sure. And then, okay, I guess with VS Code, sorry, I don't know what app. Oh, I was just testing an upload thing, but I guess I'll just open this app here, and it's going to be, don't worry about my anti-Russian affiliate links. This is in my I already forgot what I named it. Oh yeah, assembly test. Assembly script test. Okay, well, there you go. Okay, so I don't know. I guess it's in here. I guess that's just, and then I can just like do this. Okay. I can just, yeah, okay. So I just copy pasta. That's just, I'm just gonna do this. Boom. Paste. Boom. Hello world. All right. We did it. And so now I have to compile this to something. Don't forget to install dependencies before you start. Okay. Let's just do that. Okay, I installed one dependency, and then to edit the entry file, open assembly ts in your editor. Did I edit that? It's in TypeScript. It is a TypeScript. I think that's TypeScript, right? I've never done TypeScript. And then you do npm run as build. Okay. npm run as build. Okay. And then it builds. It's built. And then I can do near view. I don't know. Okay, so after it was compiled to WASM, the contract can be deployed to the near blockchain. Deploying a contract means that it's uploaded and stored. So it hasn't told me how to do that yet. But I assume that I've compiled the same thing that would appear in so I don't know how to, I guess near, if I just type near, can I upload? Is there an upload option? Developer account, sub account for master account, near state, near delete, near keys, near tx status, near deploy. So I assumed it's that. Deploy your smart contract. Yeah. And then I can deploy this WASM file, which are, since I built this, can I do, no, it's dir, right? Okay, yeah. So is there a WASM file here now? No, I think, okay, so I go into build, and then I do, yeah, okay, and then release WASM. Is that what I upload? Anyways, that was fun. So that was my very first assembly script compiled hello world language thing. I don't how do I run this? I don't know. Anyway, so okay, we'll just continue because he showed me this works. I mean, it's very simplifies this because clearly there's more to this than what he's saying. It's like, oh, all you need is this code. Yeah, okay. Plus, like, other stuff. Okay, anyways. Functions. The Hello World contract is the most basic type of contract, as no state alteration is required by the near network. When the contract is called, it simply displays a static string stored on the blockchain. Calling such contracts does not involve gas costs, and near gas is incurred only when a consumption is required. Let's look at Hello You now. The contract invokes more than just a simple view function on something that was stored on the blockchain. It requires a call of context. Okay, so says hello you, and then you call context.sender, so it says hello and then your name, I guess, which is either your public key or your public wallet name, I assume. Hello you does not alter blockchain state. Still, it requires a call of context, an operation that validator nodes have to carry, and therefore gas to be paid. Other call functions may alter state of the blockchain. Gas must be paid to the network when invoking these contracts. So when you do a context call, you pay gas to the validator nodes. When you make when you change the blockchain, or you're not, this is probably misrepresentation, right? Because you're not, you're adding to the blockchain. You can't reverse anything. You can only add. So altering the state maybe glorifies what you're actually doing. You're just adding more chains. Gas must be paid to the network when invoking these functions. Consider the function register me. It takes a name and stores it to the blockchain, altering its state and requiring an action. Consider the function register me. Okay, so it's this one. It takes a name. Well, it doesn't take a name. It's just a static, or doesn't take. It takes a name and stores it on the blockchain. So I guess it does this call for sender. And this, okay, so store.setString must be a near function. So logging a log, okay. And then save my name was called. So save my name is just some function he doesn't mention. And then here you pass it sender, which is what, so you're setting sender to the context.sender. It takes a name and stores it on the blockchain, altering its state and requiring an action. Note that this time the function does not return anything to the view. This is what is indicated by void. Okay, so that's kind of like Rust then, because you have to declare what you've returned, and if you don't return anything, you have to declare void. So that's like yeah. The null output must be specified in the function run on near. The null output must be specified in the functions run on near. Okay. Is he equating null to void? I don't know if that's necessarily the same. Anyways, action. An action is a composable unit of operation that, together with zero, is more other actions. What? Together with zero or more other actions define a transaction. Okay, an action is a composable unit of operation. Okay, yeah, it's something that you do. An action is something you can make with things, with smaller things, together with zero or more other actions. Define a transaction. So a transaction is zero or more actions. That's a really weird way. That's a weird sentence. I don't like that at all. You can, yeah, he should have just said transaction is 0 more actions, and an action is a unit of operation. That's good enough. This is very confusing the way it's written. You can think of an action as a valid message to be executed at the destination receiver. Okay. And these are the actions. These are the 8 actions. You create an account. You make a new account for a person, contract, refrigerator. Cool. Yep. I wonder, when you make an account, does it return the key, or does it return, the private key, or the 12 character code that you get with an account? But anyways, you can delete an account and transfer the balance to a beneficiary account. Okay, you can add key. To add a key to an account, either full access or function call access. Okay, and then you can delete a key, delete an existing key from an account. You can transfer, move tokens from one account to another. You can stake to express interest in becoming a validator at the next available opportunity. Okay, so this means that you don't necessarily become validator. Okay, deploy contract on the near blockchain. Okay, and then a function call to invoke a method on a contract, including up the budget for computing and storage. Deployment of a contract typically follows just 4 steps. 1. Compile contract bytecode. A given Rust or assembly code is compiled into WASM bytecode. Okay. Yeah, so I've gotten this far. Compose transaction using deploy contract with attached bytecode. A transaction is constructed that contains all the necessary values for near to deploy a smart contract. Transaction alters the VM state and can include more than one action, like create account, add key, transfer as well. Okay, so I think that's this deploy method here. Right? Where is it? It's near deploy. E. Oh my god. I hate the way this... Okay, there. Okay. I think that's better, right? Near. Call delete key, add key, generate. Oh, okay. I wasn't scrolling far enough. Yeah, near deploy. Account ID. So you need the account ID, the wasm file, the init function, the init arguments, the init gas, the init deposit. And then this is how you deploy your smart contracts. Okay. That seems like a lot of arguments for this. And then here's the init dev deploy. Okay, that's probably what I want to do. Wasm file, init function, init arguments, init gas, init deposit, init balance, force. Force. You can force. That's interesting. Okay. It's interesting you can force on dev, but you can't force on mainnet. Like if you have to run, I don't know what force means. I'm thinking it's like when you do like, I don't know, GP update -s force or something like that. You know, you can make it reinitialize immediately. But it's interesting you have that option here in dev, but you don't have it in mainnet. Because what if you have to run this with force? Then does that mean that like what do you do when you have to do deploy? But maybe I just need to try it out and see what happens. Sign and send a transaction to deploy your code, right? Create a transaction, but only a signed transaction with valid key is correct. The signed transaction is broadcasted to near, validated by the validators, and eventually code gets deployed on the network. Okay, eventually. Redeploy and trustless operations. As long as full access private keys are available, you can redeploy. Remove these keys for trustless operations. Congratulations. Okay. Just let anyone run the function, I guess. Okay. Anyways. Every day is different. You're already working with Ethan on the next museum feature, an app for visitors to create their memes and add to the museum. Okay. So let's do it. Let's git clone this bad boy. All right. Anyways, let's cd dot cd dot yeah. Let's paste git cloning. Okay, and then let's cd near academy. No, near -academy contracts. Let's just open this in here. Open folder. Let's see. Near academy. Okay. Yeah. So, what we got here? We got memes and we got the museum. And then we have AS types, so there's a little bit of separation here. Let's just start with the README. If you try to call a method, man. Okay, so this maybe we can skip the README, but okay, so here's the TS. The contract public API. Anyways, let's go. Now that you're more familiar with near infrastructure and contracts, you are ready to now learn how contracts may be used to orchestrate a meme museum. Technically, two contracts are used, the museum contract and the meme contract. The museum contract gives an overview of an available meme and takes care of curation and governance. Okay. Museum contracts. So everyone can register for the museum as a contributor. Regulation ensures that all the memes deployed have the same properties and behave the same because they use the same meme code from the museum contract. If everyone could register their own meme contract to the museum, it would be impossible to know if a given contract does what it is intended to do. The museum contract offers a function to deploy a new meme contract to those who have registered at the museum. Okay, so that's this. Let's see, the first argument, account ID, is simply a string that is used to create a new address for the new meme. Okay. If you provide a string Alice, it will deploy the contract alice.museum.testnet. Okay, that's good, because I was worried that it would have to be a unique string. I mean, it still probably has to be a unique string, right? Because, but you run into less things like if you tried to make it museum, it would just be museum.museum.testnet. Because museum.testnet's already taken. So I wonder if you'd have to actually check to see if this account ID is taken first before you proceed. This also means that white space and dot are not allowed for the valid name. Okay. The second argument says the title of the meme. It's just an ordinary string since Meme Museum is cooperating with 9gag. 9gag. Oh my god. Uh, who? Uh, this guy's a boomer. 9gag. The data field must be a URL pointing to 9gag. 9gag is a centralized service that was chosen as a partner for storage because it does not allow offensive and inappropriate content. The meme museum could quickly expand to other services and enable different URLs. Category parameters allow a value from 1 to 4 inclusive. The meme museum uses these categories to rate the meme quality. 1 is low quality, 4 might go viral. With that, you are ready to create your first meme. It's done in just 3 simple steps. Prepare your account. You need to make sure that near CLI has access to the account, supposed to interact with the contract. Simply use, so I already logged in. Follow the instructions. Register yourself as a contributor to the meme contract. Make sure to use account ID that you use when, so I think it's all right, let's just give it a try. All right, so we'll do near call museum.testnet, add myself as contributor, account ID qdong.testnet. That's it. And then I hit enter, and it goes boom. Error. You cannot sign transactions for account qdong on testnet. No matching pair found. Okay, so let's maybe it logged me out. We'll just you know what? It okay. Okay. I didn't remember my account. Scheduling a call. Doing account function call. Okay. See how long that takes. Oh, that's pretty fast. Transaction ID, blah. See transaction at. Fun. Okay, this is good. This is fun. Cool. Okay. Register your meme. Make sure to use the custom name for a meme. Contracts. Okay, so let's just go to 9gag. 9gag.com. Let's find a good meme. Wednesday night. Okay. Will you push the button? 99 cents. Oh, I see. It's a French joke. I don't know. Trending? Let's do trending. Russian cinema decides to show Bollywood blockbusters and boycott Hollywood. Okay. Fiddle's cover of Chop Suey. I bet that's cool. Saw this in my home repair group. Oh, that's funny. This wall is about to. Okay. Since I'm a boomer, I have to do the home repair meme. Okay, so let's see here. I have to make this object, which I don't want to make. But that's a lot of gas, it seems like. What do I know? Let's just do what he says. Let's just do what he says. Near call museum test net add meme. Okay, and then yeah, let's. Oh, come on. Okay, fine. We're just gonna. I don't know how to hit enter in this thing. Ah. Okay, I hit enter by accident. Okay. This is about to turn. Oh my god. Stop it. Meme. What's this? Home repair. Quote. Okay. Comma. Quote title. Yeah. Write a JSON object. It'll be, they said. What's the difference between title and meme? Meme? What kind of meme is this? It's just a boomer meme. Boomer. It's just pictures and a title. Home repair. Okay. Comma. Data. Okay. And then we put. Oh, come on. Can I paste? Yes. Okay. And then category. What's I don't know. Category 4. Okay. I wouldn't have. Isn't that the rating? I don't know. I shouldn't complain. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay. And then yeah, we do this this stuff here. So I'm just like hyphen account ID testnet hyphen amount 3 hyphen gas, and this seems like a lot of gas, but I don't even think I have this much near. We'll try it. Gas default, that's a lot of gas. In gas units, I don't even know what gas units are. Missing account ID. No, I have account ID. Account ID. Argument missing account ID. It's here. Hyphen account ID. Did I do it wrong? I don't know. I'm pretty sure you don't need these backslashes because I didn't put any returns in mine. Mine's all gross. Call me museum.testnet. So I have everything in this JSON object. Meme, title, data. They have all the commas. Meme, boomer, comma. Title, home repair, comma. Data, semicolon. Yeah, comma. Category, semicolon 4. Okay. Oh, you know what? I forgot the last quote here. That's why I forgot. Okay. Still unknown arguments. Boomer, title, home repair, data. I forget more quotes. I probably forgot more quotes. Boomer, title. Make a JSON object, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Data, comma. So, what does this look like? That's a quote. Oh, come on. This is so not fair. Okay, so I have add meme, quote, colon. Yeah, okay. comma. What does this say? Unknown arguments? These arguments are fine, right? It does it not like... I don't know what it doesn't like here. Because I have things in there. This isn't even the exact... Like, it doesn't have the meme part here. What does it say? Okay. Add meme. That's right. So far it's good. Comma. Title. Semicolon. Home. Maybe it's because I have a space there. Maybe it can't handle that. Unknown arguments. Well, repair appeared. Maybe it's my commas? No. Category. I don't know. Does this even work? Does this even work? Let's just try a straight copy pasta. Right? Oh my god. What's it doing? Oh, you know what? It's because the freaking... Okay. Oh, I see. Because you can do... Well, freaking stupid... stupid bullshit. Okay. Oh, this is a good one. That's funny. Okay. Where's... Oh my god. I just closed it. I clicked the link. Yeah, that's what happened. Okay, so anyways. Let's see here. Okay, paste. Can you paste without... Okay, and then I'll just copy this part and type in account ID dot test. Okay. Boom. Missing argument, account ID. This is stupid. Hyphen account ID. That is the argument, account ID. I don't know here why this thing isn't working. Let's see. Meme. Need these stupid backspaces. Do you actually need to... I mean, the only reason you would need these is if you have the spaces. Freaking account ID is right there. It says account ID. Oh, you know what? I spelled account wrong. Oh my god. Okay, let's get rid of this stupid backslash. Why is this so hard? Yeah, it doesn't like my arguments. What is this? It's literally the same thing that he has here without the backslashes, because I don't have the spaces in here because I can't do the new lines in here like he has. What is wrong with this add meme function? Once the meme contract is deployed, you can verify that it was created by returning the list of all available memes. You may now also find it in the blockchain explorer. So let's go back to my original one here. And this unknown arguments thing, this doesn't tell me anything because it freaking takes out half. What is this that it's returning? This isn't even the object that I sent it. It's all jacked. Maybe it's I don't know. Either way, we just learned each meme contract lives on its newly created account that was created through Museum Testnet account. In fact, the only way to get Museum Testnet ID is through interacting with the Museum contract. The meme contract contains 12 functions. Okay. So what's the here's a donate. Is add meme on here, add comment, init, get meme. Wait, we have the source code here. We can figure this out. So here's get meme. Where's add meme? Let's see, Control F. Add. There's no add meme. Is there one here? What did he do to add meme? I don't know. Let's see. The given functions are written in assembly script, but they could also have been written in Rust or any other language that can pause to WebAssembly. It's easier to understand and saves some compile time than Rust, which is excellent for prototyping and simple contracts. You can see that all functions are exported, so they can be called from other accounts. Every function has a name and optional arguments that must be of a specific type. Custom types included. Every function needs to return something void or another data type. We can classify these functions in two different kinds of functions and call functions. Yeah, so this is, it's like you have to write Rust and JavaScript. You know, like you gotta put the type that you're returning. That's funny. Every function needs to, I need to learn more Rust. I feel like every function needs to return something void or another data type. We can classify these functions. Yeah, okay. New functions do not alter contract state. View functions do not. Okay. As we've seen before, the execution of these functions do not cost any gas. They just read a value from a variable and return it. Is an example. The vote score is returned, which represents the total vote score for a specific meme. So, yeah, I mean, it's confusing from, the difference between the this call view function and this call function. So over here they said that the contract invokes more than just a simple view function on something that was stored on blockchain. It calls a call. Yeah. Hold on. I don't know. I don't know. So requires So this, okay, I see. This doesn't cost money. This costs money. Yeah, because, you know, it's weird that you call this is a view function, but this is nothing. Like, so what? You get to see hello world. You know, I wouldn't even consider this a function of any sort of relevance to be categorized. You know, like anything of this significance is meaningless in Web3, right? Like, why would you want a static function like this? Like, this isn't, this is more than a view function, but this is essentially, um, because you're viewing something on the blockchain, it still costs gas because you have to, um, because the validator needs to carry out this transaction. Whereas this, where you're storing the string, this, you're paying the network to do this. So he's saying this is a view function. This and this are, these are call functions. But, you know, I would simply categorize these two because this is, what the fuck is this? Why? Sorry, but that's just, come on, get out of here. Anyways, let's see. And I should be able to go back and forth without having to answer these stupid questions. Okay, so I don't know. I added myself as a contributor. I tried to do this, but it won't let me. So once the meme contract is deployed, you can verify. Yeah. Okay. Fix the bugs in the function add comment. Okay. Add comment text I32. String. This is weird. A 32-bit integer. What? Fix the bug in the add comment. Push. Comment.push new comment. That seems fine, I guess. So here, this is the, I mean, is this it? Is that all? Oh, I see. You need to pass it a text. I see. Yeah. Okay, I get it. I get it. So, yeah, here you're passing it a text and you're returning a string. And so here you just have to put text. And then you push a new comment that's the text that's here. Okay. Oh, right. And there's no such thing as a, right. You pass it a text that's a string, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. What's going on here? What is going on here? String. Okay. All right. What? Oh. Oh, right. And it doesn't return anything. Oh my God. I'm so, what is going on here? Why is it typing all funny? And okay. Exploration success. Yeah. Okay, fine. Um, all right, let's just finish this part. There are 3 bugs. I should have read that. In okay, given functions are an assembly script, but also can be functions do not alter contract state. Okay, every function needs to return something. Okay, hold on. You can see that all functions are exported so that they can be called from other accounts. Every function has a name and an optional argument that must be of a specific type, custom types included. Every function needs to return something void or another data type. We can classify these functions into 2 different kinds of functions, view functions and call functions. View functions do not alter the contract state. Okay. View functions are useless and don't do anything, aka as we've seen before, the execution of these functions do not cost any gas. They just read a value from a variable and return it. In this example, the vote score is returned, which represents the total vote score for this specific meme. Okay. That's very... But how's the vote score is not stored on the blockchain then, right? That means that this is stored on the server database or something. But it has to be stored on the blockchain because no. Yeah. Or get vote score. Where is vote score come from? Vote. You vote here, right? You vote on the blockchain, right? So I can theoretically. So if I do call museum.testnet vote and I pass it 1. Yeah. Account ID. Freaking account ID dot testnet. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I don't know what that does. So yeah, I just voted. Oh, type not found. Failure. Contract method not found. I don't know. But here apparently you can do get vote score, and this doesn't cost any gas at all. Method not found. Okay. Is it? Do I have to do near view? I don't know. Maybe this isn't up anymore. Call function alters the contract state. This means that something is saved on the blockchain. I mean, don't the validators still need to get paid for this transaction? The function add comment takes a string and saves it in a contract. Maybe chat knows the answer. I haven't looked at chat all day, all night. Let's see. Nope, I have no chat. Yeah, I have no chat. That's okay. Okay, anyways, I think I'm done here. Add comment takes a string, saves it. Contract comment. So I can't do any of these. Maybe I should deploy this. People from all over the world can connect through memes they like. Oh wait, not quite. Before all this work, you have to provide them an easy interface to interact with contracts, of course. Even in 2029, not everyone is a Bash ninja. Ethan has started to create the application already. Okay. So I have this and another one. We'll finish this. Let's see. The build your interface. Oh, 1 out of 5. The last one was like a 4 out of 5. So, okay. So the contract has been deployed. You don't really have to worry about them anymore. Now is the time to focus on the interface and connecting it to the contract back in the design store. Not available yet, but you can keep working on functionality. Okay. So I guess we can delete this crap. We go cd dot dot and then get. Okay, clone that and then cd near. We get near academy museum front end. Okay. You see there's a source folder that contains the files to interact with Near and display the results. It looks like just an ordinary web app. We're using the Near API JS library here, which provides an easy way to interact with Near. Like with every other library, many details will become more clear when you really need them. So let's focus on what's needed now. We want to display a list of all available means and interact with them by writing a comment. As we know, there's a meme contract with a function get memes list. We call it via the Near CLI before, and we can do the same with the Near API JS. You just see that it does not matter how you connect to Near as long as you follow a specific protocol. The steps to get connected to Near is just a few lines. Just a few lines. Okay. Near DApp examples at near.dev, Near Explorer. So those talk to Near API. There's this RPC interface that talks to the blockchain. Okay. It's like this square block fits very poorly into this curved. I don't know what he's thinking here. Anyways, import connect. Okay, you import this from Near. You import get config. Okay, so Near config is the get config. Node environment development, pipe development. Okay. Export async function init contract. And then this whole thing is the init contract. Initialize connection to the Near testnet. Note that the keys are saved in local storage, never leave the client. Okay, yeah. So Near equals await connect, so it's the async thing. Object that assign deps key store, new key store. And you pass it the key store, and then the config. Yeah. Okay. Initialize wallet based account. It can work with Near testnet wallets that is hosted on, that are hosted at window.wallet connect. Window? What is window? Where is this from? I don't know where window is from. Okay. Window.wallet connection equals wallet connection dot near, so you're passing it the connection. Okay, account ID window dot wallet connection dot get account ID, so you can set account ID to your connections account ID. Then contract, you set the window contract. Oh, I see. This is a JavaScript thing then. It means like the browser window. Await new contract window dot connect. Okay, near config dot contract name. So that's from here. Okay. And then view methods, change methods. So you have to categorize your gets and your, I guess this is a post. So basically, it's not really views versus state change. It's more, yeah, it's like a get or a post, and you have to tell it. You have to explicitly categorize them for your browser interface. You probably do with the gas and stuff. How to do the transaction properly. Because I imagine if you try to do a view method, like a change method, you would needlessly use people's gas, and then if you try to do a change method like a view method, you wouldn't be able to do it because you wouldn't be paying the gas to do it. Probably. I don't know. I don't know if you have to do this. View methods are read-only, don't modify state. Yeah, okay. This init contract function initializes our contract APIs by using a contract name and configuration. You should recognize view methods and change methods, as also known as call methods. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Change methods are call methods. Yeah. We can list all functions here that we want to use in our application. That's all you need to know about the configuration to get started. The rest works just like any other function calling an API. Looking at index.js, we see that we can achieve our goal with 4 short functions. Get the list of all memes in the museum. Okay, async function, get meme list. Yeah. Meme equals async window contract get meme list. Okay. And then you have to, I guess you just like populate this array. Is that what he's DOM manipulation? Yeah, so you could do this with like React or something, I guess. You do like a fetch get meme, I don't know. Since we need to send our query through the network, we need to await the answer just like an ordinary API call. So server, this will return an array with all the names for the accounts that contain the meme contracts. Get all memes. We're almost there. With the full meme list, we can start to call the individual contracts and read details from the previous chapter. We know that each contract is deployed on its own account. We need to call different contracts, but all of the same kind, meme contracts. So you can fill an array with new contracts, use them in the next step. So meme contract, async function, set up meme contracts. Okay. Meme list dot for each. So meme list is from here. For each meme, meme contract dot push. Okay. Okay, so he's going to add them to the meme contract array. Await new contract window.walletConnection.account, comma, meme plus dot plus near config contract name, view method, get recent comments, await promise all meme contracts, log.meme contracts. Okay, so that's getting all the meme contracts. Then you display all the memes, show memes. So meme contracts, for each meme contract you need to meme.push contract get meme. Okay, yeah, and so you go through each contract, you get the meme, and then you push it to the array here, and then you have an array of memes. Right, here you're making an array of contracts, and then after you have the contracts, you can get, oh, does that mean that I was doing this wrong? Because does Museum Testnet have, or is it, it's not my account. No, it's Museum Testnet, right? But each, I don't know. Write a comment. Adding a comment to a meme is just as easy as calling the set comment and providing your text. So this, yeah. The message is saved in the meme contract on the near testnet. In other words, calling this function alters the state. Yeah, that costs gas. What to look for when writing a dApp. As we learned, each change of call of a change function costs gas, so it might not be desirable to ask the user to call the contracts directly. Instead, your server would call it for them, so effectively you would pay for them. You see how you can give your users an advantage by using your platform. They get comments for free, but at the same time you keep the ecosystem open, as others could offer the same service or just let the users pay the fees. For example, for the given example is written in plain JavaScript to keep it simple, but you can also use the latest frameworks like React, Vue, and Angular. Yeah, I would probably use React. How to enhance your contract and what's next. So have a look here to get started. Many extra features can be developed on top of the museum and meme contracts. The only limit is your imagination. Consider, for instance, a voting system to remove. Okay, so use the recent comments function via the near CLI to use the web app and near API JS library to retrieve the latest comments made on Bob33 meme contract. Copy paste the very last comment that was made for the exercise validation. Okay, so I don't know if I can do this because I can't figure out how to use CLI. Okay, so I don't know. What was the function called? The get recent comments function. Get recent comments Was I doing this last one? Get vote. Let's add meme. So, method not found. It's weird because here it's like, okay, so use the recent or the web app and the near API.js. See, it's weird because here he doesn't use the underscores, and the other one he used underscores. But it says method not found. I mean, am I calling the right? Am I spelling museum right? I don't know. Test. Yeah, I am. Okay. I don't know. I can't get this CLI to work. It's just like I'm burning gas. It's burning my gas. It's burning my tokens. But the method's not there. I just don't know. This is... Thank God there's a test net. Let's just submit answer. And then... Oh. What? Implement the missing function. Okay, so... This is meme contracts index.get recent comment. Okay. Yeah, okay. So is that even a function? Get recent comments. Get recent comment takes an index. Shouldn't this be void? Oh no, this is for the oh come on. This is for the JavaScript portion. So you don't need... Yeah, this is just normal JavaScript. Okay. Oh great, I bumped into you. I mean to tell you, everyone at the museum is delighted with your work. So we're so lucky to have you on board. I'd like to meet everyone you haven't met yet. So this is the last chapter. You've been exposed to how dApps are built with Near. It's not that much, but it's already sufficient for you to create your first dApp. I don't know if I can create my first dApp. I mean, I could guess, maybe. Become a contributor, join a guild, participate in events, stay in touch with Near, build on Near. Do you have a good idea? Near grant programs are generous. So, grants, Liquidity, Wallet Connect, NAR Wallet, Near staking. If you like the meme museum theme, you might like some real projects happening in that space. Let's look at it. It's cute. 1.5 Near. Start from Mr. Brown. Place offer. Newest cards. Let's see. Let's filter by price. For sale only, lowest price supply. Oh, let's take it. I want oh, let's see. So let's filter again. For sale only, apply. For sale only, lowest price, apply. Some free stuff. That's cute. I like the cat. Let's see, what do I want to spend Moonies for? Special item X. Space near. That's cool. A 100 copies. Why does it do that? I don't know. Okay, there. Free. Get for free. Not enough near. What? Hold on a second. Let me see here. Where is my near? Oop. Okay, hold on. Near. Oh, I staked it all. Hold on. I'll take it out. Unstake. Max. Unstake. Unstake my near. Okay. Well, while it unstakes, I will look at more free NFTs. More free NFTs. Okay. Now I has monies. Has the Moonies for NFTs. Let's get. No, I has. Trust me. Okay, I haven't received them yet. Method called unstake 45 seconds ago. Oh, come on. Anyways, we'll just keep that there. What else we got? Life of being a student / NFT art. Yeah. Some of these free ones are pretty awful. You got to pay money for the good ones. That's fun. That's cute. Frenchy. Yeah, free ones are pretty bad. But what can you do? They're freeze. Them's freeze. Oh, look. Promotional pixel gang. They're like apes, but they're not. Edition of 777. That's funny. Okay. That's pretty cool. Yeah, let's let's see if this transaction completes. See, these transactions, they take a minute still. I'm surprised at how long it takes. 3 minutes. How long did it take last time? How long did it take to stake? Let's see. I don't know. I don't remember. Status not available. Let's say succeeded. So I successfully unstaked, but it's taken a minute. I don't know. Royalties 33%. Hair, hat, clothes. Let's take a look at the Pixel Gangs. One of 1,000. 1 of 1. Okay. 0.3. I mean, that's, quite 1. Place offer. Place offer. 5. Jeez. Let's sort by price again. Filter. Lowest price, supply. I mean, these are pretty cute. Definitely not Rickroll QR code. Among Us stuff. That's kind of cool. I mean, that's pretty cool, right? Okay. Get out of here. Okay. Where's my near? Are we an NFT stream now? I think so. Okay, maybe I've wasted too much time on this NFT stuff. All right, so let's go back. We finished this near university thing. So, let's see. Figment learn pathway. So I have too much of this crap here. Let's close some of these. Let's look at the museum testnet. So they have a lot of near. So okay. So it says here, add myself as contributor. So I did this. That was successful. Add meme. This guy failed too. Add meme in contract. He failed. So this guy, add comment, fail. He was able to add a meme though. He succeeded in adding his meme. But this guy, add meme, success. Add meme. See, this guy failed too. Let's look at a successful one though. What did this person do? Meme. Okay, my first meme. Data. Yeah, I mean, this is what I put. Didn't I? This was what my object looked like. I mean, we could try again, I guess. Okay, I should probably do it from scratch. Because, so what's this person call? Add meme. Called method. Add underscore meme. Add meme. Right? And then you just pass this argument, right? Do you have to do it in... You have to pass the object in the parameters. Like that. That's weird. You know, it's kind of like it's a string at that point. I don't know. Don't want to show that. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, so let's just paste this in like that. Oop, it didn't like it. Oh, yeah, because of this enters. The return lines. Oh, that's so annoying. I hate this. Okay, anyways. I give up. I don't care. I don't care anymore. Okay, testnet. Day 5, day 4, day 3, day 2, day 1. Okay, so this is their HackMD for stuff. Anyways, introduction to Near for web developers. I feel like I should watch this, but it's like an hour and a half, so maybe we'll just sit down and watch it one day. Near tutorials. I feel like I should do this too. But I have no idea where to start. There's just so much stuff. Maybe we just start like here, go down. I don't know. Learn by yourself. Yeah. So I think, okay, we'll look over that. Here's Meme Museum. Here's, yeah, their PowerPoint. Do I need to keep this open? I don't know. I'll keep it open. Welcome to Web3. So this was, yeah, okay, we'll keep that. Near Certified Developer course. Yes, there are recordings for each cohort. Oh. Oh. Wait. Okay, yeah. Yep, so that's the course. Okay, we'll keep that.
Thanks for joining. This is the series on the internal.
Near Core episode 1. Let's close that. We'll close this one too. I feel like live app review. Okay. Core contracts. I don't know. Live contract view. I have so many of these open. Oh, there's so much content. I don't even know what to do. Near in a nutshell. Okay. Near for senior developers. I'm definitely not a senior developer, so I'm like an intermediate developer. I could maybe figure some of this stuff out, but I don't know. Okay, we should probably keep that. I feel like I have like 5 of these open, so I should probably learn assembly script, but I feel like I will go with Rust. I will close that because I can grab that anytime. Yeah, I want to keep these open because, hey, where'd my monkeys go? Okay, I also want this monkey. Pixel Ape Game. Whatever. See details. Okay. Collection. Owners. Oh, there's been a few owners. Not for sale. Oh. Okay. Yeah, because there's 77 of them. So whatever I buy will be like, yeah. Okay. of 100. Okay. Yep. We'll close this for now. Okay. Well, let's look at mint base. Okay, so I think I'm done with this. Yeah. Okay. So I can download it and hang on to it. Okay. So where's my certificate? Get my certificate. Yeah. Okay. Should I get my certificate NFT? Let's see. Do I have any? I still don't have the money from unstaking. Why am I staking? Pending release? Oh. Oh, I see. After I unstake it. It takes some time. Okay. I mean, I guess I can do testnet. Yeah. In my NFT. Oh. Whatever. Check it out. Boom. Okay. Cool. Will it do it for my... If I don't have money, will it do it for me? Oh, it must end with testnet. Anyways. Okay. I did that. I will save this for later. Hopefully no one buys it. Okay. Even if they do, I will buy something else. Get me some NFTs. Okay, so... That was a gross sound, sorry. Smart contracts, written in Rust. Quick start. Learn Web3 dApps. I see, yep. This is the Rust stuff, so... Yeah. We'll just git clone this. I actually have the GitHub app. Oh no. Here. Figment.io pathways. Oh. I got everything here. Why am I even bothering with Near when I could learn Polkadot or one of these top 10 coins like Solana or Avalanche? Just kidding. We'll do Near because it's reasonably priced. Oh my god, did it just send me to the GitHub page? Come on. Sure. I mean, I'll download this, look through it, whatever. Okay. Anyways, so got two of those open. Let's see here. Get paid to learn the basics of it. See, like, okay. This is the website that I was at. What? But this just takes me to the GitHub. Here are tutorials. So if I kick this, takes me to the GitHub. Okay, that's fine. What is our current resources? So yeah, please. What? Okay. As we take our next steps, our mission to help developers create the future of the web. We want to thank everyone in the learning community for your contributions, those who have shared their knowledge by writing tutorials and helping others steward our collective mission, and those of you who have taken a plunge to learn something new and inspire are the inspiration that keeps us focused. This community and publish, we're hoping the next phase of the building efforts multiplies that 1,000 times, while Figment Learn team focuses on helping builder DAO, decentralized whatever, build a learning platform that can achieve that. We're going to pause new tutorial submissions on Learn. However, we'll continue to support Learn Figment IO. And we have plans to publish additional content here this month for you to reach out to us or post in our... okay, so they used to pay you, but then they stopped. Yeah, okay, so that's not a thing anymore. Anyways, let's close this. Yeah, so not a thing. I think this is what I want. Yeah. Yeah. We'll start with this tutorial tomorrow. And I'll have to learn some Rust. But I think I can do that. Rust installation guide. Check this guide. If you want, yeah, so. The Rust programming language. Hello world. Okay. Learning Rust. All right. So this is the developer one. Yeah. Okay, whatever. I think Figment Learning Pathways. Okay, yep. Getting started with Near, awesome.near.com. Awesomenear.com. Yeah, okay, so these are all the apps on here. Peer-to-peer money and a historical concept. So these are all those videos. And this seems like it's conceptual, mostly revolving around blockchain or Bitcoin. Cypherpunks. That sounds cool. I mean, so I think this is going to be my learning plan. I will do one of these from here to here a day. Yeah. Yeah, one of these a day. And then I will learn Rust and learn how to write near contracts in Rust. And then I will submit my thing. Let's look into this fellowship thing, though. It looks interesting. I think that will be the last thing that I do today. I'll call it a day. Because I don't think anyone's watching. Yeah, I don't know if anyone's watching. Anyways. Participation in the fellowship program constitutes participant. I don't know. Never mind. I think I'm going to head out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.